William Peyton Hubbard, a distinguished figure in Canadian history, was born on January 27, 1942, in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. The son of former Virginia slaves who escaped to Canada via the Underground Railroad, Hubbard's life and career were marked by significant contributions to the political and social fabric of Toronto. Hubbard's parents, Mosley and Lavinia Hubbard, fled the oppression of slavery and sought freedom in Canada. They settled in a community of other free blacks in Toronto, where William was born. His early life was shaped by the values of hard work and education instilled by his parents, who understood the importance of those virtues in overcoming racial barriers. Before entering politics, Hubbard was a baker by trade. He learned how to bake as a student at the Toronto Normal School. However, his interest extended beyond the bakery. He was also an inventor. One of his notable inventions was the Hubbard Portable Oven, which revolutionized baking by allowing bakers to produce goods more efficiently. He spent 16 years as a baker before becoming a cab driver. William Hubbard married Julia Lockett, and together they had several children. His family life was marked by the same values of hard work, education, and community service that defined his political career. He then began a career in politics in 1893, running for a Toronto City Council seat. He lost the election but ran again in 1894 and was elected to the City Council 15 times over his 20-year tenure from 1894 to 1914. He became known for his eloquence and persuasive public speaking, earning him the name Cicero after the famed Roman orator. As an alderman, Hubbard focused on several key areas. 1. Public utilities. He was a strong advocate for public ownership of utilities, which was a progressive stance at the time. His efforts were instrumental in the establishment of the Toronto hydroelectric system, ensuring that the city's electric power remained in public hands and benefited the broader community. 2. Social justice. Hubbard consistently championed the rights of the underprivileged and worked towards the betterment of the working class. He was deeply involved in issues such as fair wages and working conditions. 3. Urban development. He played a critical role in the urban planning and infrastructure development, contributing to Toronto's mobilization during a period of rapid growth. Throughout his career, Hubbard faced significant racial prejudice, yet he remained steadfast in his dedication to public service and justice. His achievements were all the more remarkable given the social context of his time, a period when Black Canadians faced considerable discrimination. Hubbard's legacy is multifaceted. He broke racial barriers, paving the way for future generations of Black politicians in Canada. His advocacy for public utilities and workers' rights left an indelible mark on Toronto's civic landscape. Moreover, his ability to rise above the racial prejudices of his era and serve effectively and honorably in public office stands as an example to his character and determination. William Peyton Hubbard passed away on April 30th, 1935. In recognition of his contributions, the City of Toronto has honored his memory in various ways, including naming a park after him. His life story is celebrated as an inspiring example of perseverance, civic duty, and the enduring impact one individual can have on society. Hubbard's contributions to Toronto and Canada as a whole are a vital part of the nation's history. His role as a pioneer for Black Canadians in politics, coupled with his inventive spirit and commitment to public service, ensures that his legacy continues to inspire and influence future generations. To Mr. William Peyton Hubbard, we proudly stand on your shoulders. For more information, please visit my website at www.ontheshoulders1.com. There, you can support my OTSOG book series. You can also support me on Patreon at patreon.com/OTSOG, or you can hit the super like button under this video. I love you all, and make sure you catch the next video coming up.